Hey, this is Dave from Priority Bicycles, and we're gonna go over some light troubleshooting. So first, when you lift up your wheel and spin it, your light should go on. If it's not, click the button, and hopefully it goes on. If it's not going on, there's a few things we can try. I'm gonna go down here to the hub, and using a small screwdriver, I'm gonna pop out the plug. The first thing I wanna try is just to make sure that these wires are nicely in their channels, and you can just push them around a little bit, maybe even push the cables down a little further to give it more bend. So I'll bend this out and put more bend on there, even if it shows out a little bit, just giving it more contact area. And we're gonna try the same thing with this one, just give it a little more contact area and plug it back in. Might be too much contact area. And we'll try and hopefully have success with our light. Now you'll notice that time I did not have success with my light. So what happened? I might have had too much contact area, or as I placed it in, it looks like it didn't get appropriately in the channel. So let's try it again. With it going right in the channel. And success. So you can see that you do sometimes need to play around with it a little to get it set. The other thing that you might find, if it's still not working, is try reversing the wires. There is no right or wrong. So the blue does not need to be forward or backward. But sometimes I've found that while there's no right or wrong, you sometimes just need to change them to get it to work. So here I'll change it, and I'll put the blue wire forward. And I'll get that nicely in the channel there with a little sticking out. Get the brown wire in the channel nicely sticking out. Slide those in and back in business. So you'll see that during my adjustments, one time I had the light not working, the other two times it did. Sometimes you just need to pull them out and change the wire orientation a little and put it right back in. I hope this helps, and contact us with any questions or issues.